In this video, I'll guide you through how to add an image accordion to Squarespace. Whether you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your website or simply want a sleek way to display images, an image accordion is a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal. Let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process. First, we'll need to head over to a handy platform called Elfsight. Elfsight offers a wide range of widgets designed to boost your website's functionality and aesthetic. Once you're on the Elfsight website, you'll want to use the search bar to find the image accordion widget. This widget is perfect for showcasing multiple images in a compact and interactive way, allowing your visitors to click through them effortlessly. Once you've located the image accordion widget, go ahead and click on it to explore the customization options. You can tailor the accordion's appearance to match your website's theme and style. Take your time here to adjust the colors, sizes, and transitions according to your preferences. After you've configured the widget to your liking, it's time to publish it. Look for the Publish button, which will generate a unique code for you. This code is essential as it will allow you to integrate the accordion into your Squarespace site. Now that you have your code, let's switch over to Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where you'd like to add the image accordion. Once you're there, you'll need to add a new element to your page. Squarespace's interface is quite intuitive, so look for an option to add a block or element. This is typically done by hovering over the area where you want to insert the accordion and clicking on the button to add a new block. After clicking to add a new block, you'll be presented with various options. What you're looking for here is the option to add a code block. The code block is where you'll paste the code you copied from Elfsight. Simply click on the code block option and a text box will appear. In this text box, paste the unique code you obtained from Elfsight. This action will integrate the image accordion into your Squarespace page. Once you've pasted the code, don't forget to save your changes. Saving is crucial as it ensures that your new image accordion is live and visible to visitors on your site. After saving, take a moment to preview your page. Check to make sure the accordion is displaying correctly and functioning as intended. If everything looks good, you've successfully added an image accordion to your Squarespace site. And there you have it. You've just learned how to enhance your Squarespace website with an engaging image accordion. This simple addition can make a significant impact on your site's layout and user experience. Remember, customization is key, so feel free to revisit Elfsight if you ever want to tweak the settings of your accordion. Thanks for watching and happy designing!